in our rental apartment doing some touch-up paint. We're gonna redo the floors. One of these days we'll do the cabinets. I don't care that much about the cabinets right now because it's more work than it's worth. But we did just get some LVP flooring for the kitchen floors. So we're gonna go over the tile. The debate has been whether we need to tear out all the tile or if we can just go with the LVP over the top of the tile. We're hoping that's what we can do. So Kyle is checking with some specialists. As you can tell, it's a lot of flooring. So hopefully we don't have to rip it all out to put in the LVP. And the dishwasher height is an issue too. Whether or not we can fit the flooring in, like if we have to tear out the tiles so the dishwasher will fit, or if we can just put in the LVP over the top of the tile. I don't know if any of that made any sense, but we're figuring it out. And then we're gonna learn how to put in LVP flooring. Yay. Okay, because this flooring it's kind of thin. It actually fit under the dishwasher and it's like perfect. We're gonna be able to just go over the top of the tile with the LVP flooring and not have to rip it all out. We have like pulled out our appliances. We're gonna move the dishwasher completely. That's not done yet, but we did get rid of the stove, the refrigerator, and we're taking up the baseboards. Kyle just took up that row of baseboards. And you can see there is a, a really low spot right here. That has always been there. The people that did our tile did a terrible job. Kind of falls in line with doing trade when you're 21 years old and building your own home. The people that did our tile originally did not do a very good job, and it's just really super cheap tile. Originally, we weren't planning on renting out our apartment or even finishing our basement when we built our house, but we decided it would be worth the money, and it totally has been. This is the crack. This is part of why we're changing up our flooring. But anyways, we might put down some leveler just to level out all the spots. It is so wavy with high and low spots. But we are gonna just go right over the top of the tile, which everyone has told us would be so much better than ripping out all the tile. Not so much because of pulling up the tile, but because of the adhesive that I don't remember the name of right now, that's on the other side of the tile. So once you get rid of the tile, we actually have a little bit right here. It is this stuff right here that's really hard to get off the concrete. And so they say if you can go right over the top of the tile, you're much better off. So that's what we're doing. And we have everything moved over here. This is the floors we're putting in. It's just says Home Style Collection. Kyle has been laying, I'm gonna have to talk to him. I think he said it spins up. He's laying to try to even out some of the low spots.
It's a little area, but I don't think, I mean, I can push down on the baseboard and split the difference.
Yeah.
Like I can push and maybe get it to
progress shot. Kyle's putting down the carpet tacks, and we decided to keep our carpet that we already had, which matches up good with the floor, so it works. And he put in I forgot what it's called, kickboard, toe board, I don't know. It goes under the cabinets, and it's white. Which doesn't look great, but doesn't look bad. And then if I paint the cabinets white anyways, it'll all match and work. Kyle's on the baseboard, so when they did our house originally, they didn't finish the baseboard where that brown baseboard is. Kyle just added that. They just had baseboards back to the middle of where the refrigerator goes and then stopped. And you remember the huge gap that was here in the floor? No longer have that, which is great. It looks much better. So right now the baseboards just need to be caulked. And I think that's about it. So looking good, almost done. Except for the big fat mess over there. These are the edges. We used to wait to hold down the trim. While it dries, I'm assuming. I never did get very good video when he was doing the track and the trim. You do have to do a trim on the edge. It matches up to the carpet or goes up to the carpet. So almost done.